What does the passage suggest about Evan's personality? A. He prefers to keep to himself and avoids unnecessary interactions. This is strongly supported by the opening of the passage. It says Evan liked the library quiet, steady, without anyone watching him. This tells us he's someone who values solitude and isn't looking for attention. This matches well and is likely our answer, but let's take a look at our remaining choices just to be sure. B. He enjoys being the center of attention at school. Nothing in the passage suggests this. In fact, as we pointed out in the previous choice, the opposite seems to be true. He likes the quiet and being unnoticed. We can mark this choice off. C. He is quick to share personal discoveries with others. This doesn't fit either. Evan doesn't want to share the photo at first, and even tries to snatch it back from Tyler. That shows us he's hesitant, not quick to share. We can mark this choice off as well. And D. He never spends time with Tyler out of school. While we learn that Evan and Tyler had never gotten along, the text doesn't tell us anything about what they do outside school. Since there's no evidence here, and we can see that choice A makes the stronger option, we can mark this choice off and mark our original answer, choice A, as our final answer.